back to my channel. My name is Fabiola and I love to create lifestyle, fashion, and beauty videos. And I'd love it if you consider subscribing to my channel if you have not done already. And thank you so much for watching. So today I have a very exciting video. It's going to be all about cats and all about my cat. So let me tell a quick little story. So when I grew up, way back then, I grew up with cats and dogs and I loved having a pet in my home. And I grew up with like a cat or a dog or both all the way down through my teenage years. And after that, I stopped and I didn't have any more pets. And I think that's mainly because we used to move quite frequently. So we had to like either give our pet away or find a new home for it. And that was just devastating because, you know, you fall in love with your pet and then you have to find a home for it. So after a while, I just decided I didn't want any more pets. And it was just heartbreaking every single time. So after I got married, had kids, now I have 3 kids. My kids kept asking, why can't we have a pet, a dog, something? So we got a betta fish as a pet, but they still wanted something more. So a few months ago, my boss at work had kittens and she gave me one and I was so excited. I told my kids that I was gonna get a little kitten. They were beyond excited. So actually her birthday is February 14, which is even more awesome because it's even more special. So I decided to get a cat, and as a, I'm gonna say first time cat mom because it's been decades since I've had a pet, it's all brand new to me. So I had like no idea what to get, or you know, it's all brand new. It's almost like having a new baby. So I wanted to share with you guys all the things that I got and found so useful, and that way you guys can get an idea in case you are considering getting a cat for yourself. I think this video would be very helpful, and also share with you guys some really cute and adorable stuff that I got for my cat. So before we get started, let me show you my cat. Oh, I just love to snuggle with her. This is my cat. Her name is Lulu. She's so cute. She is 6 months now. And she is the baby of the house. She is adorable. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started with all the items that I would recommend to you and all the items that I have for my cat. One thing I would really recommend is getting a toy like this one. Your cat is going to have a blast with this and love it. I have this one here that has this long stick, and I actually like this one better because you can change the bottom part just by snapping off the chain and then just attaching a brand new toy. I also have this other similar one. This one's a little bit different. It has a couple feathers on the top, which she loves to play with. It also has that little mouse at the end that has catnip inside, and it also makes a squeaky noise. I got my cat this cute pink little bed. It's super soft. It also has this non-slip padding in the back. And this one I normally keep in my bedroom for the days that she wants to take a nap or just feels like sleeping in the bedroom. So here's another bed that I also got for my cat. I decided to get her a couple just in case she wants to nap in different areas of the house without having to move them all over the place. And I believe she likes this one the best just because it's shaped as a little dome and it also gives her more privacy. Also, you want to consider getting a blanket for your cat. Cats love to hide, especially under clothes, blankets, pillows. So I got her this blanket especially for her. It's super soft, and I actually use this sometimes on her window perch. So this window perch that I have here is definitely a must. I didn't even know that such things existed. Your cat will spend hours and hours just sitting near the window. It's very easy to install. All you have to do is just use those little suction cups and it just attaches right to any window.
One thing that I would highly recommend is getting a cat post or cat scratcher. It's definitely a must, especially if you don't want your cat tearing up your sofa. They do have like different colors and different styles. They even have like tall ones, big ones, you know, different kinds. I also bought my cat other toys. Cats love having different kinds of toys. They get bored very easily. So you want to make sure that you get a couple different toys for your cat to play and be entertained. I ordered her these adorable little bowls that have these little cats in there. They are so cute. It's like this pale pink color, and what's great about them is that the actual stainless steel bowl is removable, so you can easily wash it and keep it clean. So the moment we knew we were getting a kitten, the first thing I got was a litter box, and this litter box is just super cute. I also like it because it has a little door, so it gives the cat more privacy. Also, I wanted to share with you the type of litter that I normally buy for my cat. If you guys have any favorites, let me know in the comments down there below. I'd love to hear what kind of litter you buy for your cat.
So that was it for my video. I really hope you enjoyed it, found it helpful. I'll try to leave all these items that I mentioned in the video in my blog as well. Make sure you check it out. It's Fabiolag Beauty, and also make sure to follow me on Instagram. I try to post pictures there at least once a day. And I really hope you guys have an amazing rest of your day, and I'll see you next time. Bye!